Nigerian government has announced its decision to sell five power generating companies constructed under the National Integrated Power Project. The sale of the companies will be done through the Bureau of Public Enterprises, which handles the sale of public assets. A document signed by the Director General of the BPE, Alex Oko, and made available to the media called for bids for the 100% shareholding of the government in any of the five companies. According to the news agency of Nigeria, the development is part of ongoing reform in the Nigerian electricity supply industry and in line with the Nigerian Electric Power Policy and Electric Power Sector Reforms Act 2005. The companies constructed under the NIPP are located in Edo, Kogi, Cross River, Ogun, and Ondo states. It was stated that the board of directors of the Niger Delta Power Holding Company and the National Council on Privatization had approved the sale of the companies, but the amounts expected for the sale was not stated. The five power plants were identified as a Geregu Generation Company Limited with gross installed capacity at ISO condition of 506 megawatts. Benin Yobo Generation Company Limited with 507 megawatts. Calabar Generation Limited with 634 megawatts. Omotosho Generation Limited with 513 megawatts and Olorunshogun Generation Company Limited with 754 megawatts. The document said each bidder must be an experienced power generation company that owns or operates utility-sized power plants. In case of consortium, at least one of the consortium members must be an experienced power generation company, the technical partner. The technical partner shall be responsible for providing operation, maintenance, and managing services under a long-term agreement. The federal government had in November 2021 said it hoped to realize 434 billion naira from the sale of three power plants in Geregu, Omotosho, and Calabar, which it said would shore up the federation accounts. According to the breakdown at the time, Geregu power plant was built to be sold for 140.7 billion naira. Omotosho power plant was to be sold for 151.4 billion naira, while Calabar plant would be available for sale for 143.4 billion naira. The reason why they want to sell this whole thing so that it will show up the federation account, and when the federation account is shut up, then who are the beneficiaries? They will use it to pay their own salaries, the ex-president, ex-whatever, all those ones. They will use it to fund their lifestyle. You know, most of the time I always like, they will tell you they are budgeting. Me, are they budgeting for me? Because I'm not part of the budget in this country. I don't know about you. I don't know how those their budget concerns me as a person. So somebody said, hey, you have an international passport, or you have a passport or Nigeria passport, yet you are not a citizen. You can't be called a citizen. You just have that passport. Okay, some for those who travel, or just for part of your documents, in case for your identification. The budget, they will tell you, people will part budget, they will not unpart budget, they will all manner. I can't see myself, because the budget is not meant for me at all. Everybody is responsible for his or her life, as in terms of your welfare. What do? Is it when they just pick and choose some of their cronies, they give them something, then automatically for their mind they have done it for everybody? So if the reason is to get more money, because they're looking for money left, right, and center, it is for them, so that they can use it to go and pay Buhari's bill in the UK on medical. Who are the people benefiting? No, they are the ones, and they are not. Are they up to 5%? Some people say they are not even up to 1%. So in all of this, is they will sell this, they will sell that. How does that concern an average person on the street? No policy on ground. No policy on ground. It's unfortunate. Well, maybe for those who think they are budgeting for them, because if they get the money, who are the people that would spend the money? Not them then now. Not them. I that will take concern Nigerians. It is for them and their children. Well, sell everything and divide the money into three parts. Federal government is preparing for our inevitable disintegration. Nigeria has finished selling all its assets. New era of colonization on its way. As if it will change everything. Is it not the same politician that will buy or connect those that we buy? How about the workers? They are still those in the rotting system. Before closing the deal, the money gotten must have gone already. The whole country would be sold so as to meet both ends. Power sector is the most incompetent of them all. It's like this present government is a prodigal government. They are good in selling their father's properties. Thor, why not sell this whole country once and for all? The masses will never feel the good effects of privatization because of the high level of corruption in this country. Privatization will only favor the rich and keep them getting richer. The leadership has collapsed like a pack of cards. All those who supported this government into power are shocked. Let them sell everything and divide the country. Continue. Very soon you will start selling your citizens if they will accept buying them. These people can sell anything, including people in this country. Very good at selling. This could result to either one of two outcomes. One, massive hike in electricity tariffs, total shutdown of this power plant due to high running costs. Nigeria, a mere geographical space where retrogression is the order of the day. Sell everything because new nation is on the way. Oh my goodness. With the current situation of things in the country, who will be interested in buying the power plants? Sell Nigeria, this country is rotten. Please let them sell Nigeria and give us our own money so that everyone go their own town or villages. This man has run out of ideas. Let him resign and go and relax. No, the DSS will not want to hear that. Oh. Which Buhari is the one? Is this one? Chai. Which Buhari is this one? This Jubril want to finish this country before he goes to Sudan. All these Janjaweed are trying everything possible to destroy everything because they value cow than human. So guys, let us hear your opinion and let's have your take on this. Thank you.